salad bowl. Just give me that real food. Then give me some more. Give me some more. I ain't on no diet. No, it ain't like that. 'Cause I like my breakfast made with a little bacon fat. Just a little bit. It stick to my stomach and fire up my soul. Hot like gumbo flavor, sweet like jelly roll. You drive me wild, baby, and your food do too. I had one taste of it, now I want a taste of you. Hey there, good looking. What you got cooking? Want some of that mac and cheese with banana pudding. Girl, you certified like a master chef. Yes, you is. I'll eat your cooking, baby, 'cause it ain't nothing.